Good morning. My name is Ann Collins, and I am a therapist at the cabin in Westfield. And this morning I woke up and I looked out the window and I saw this tree behind me. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. It's blooming this beautiful color purple against that beautiful blue sky. And especially right after these storms we've had, it's just nature is amazing. So it reminded me of this book that I love, which is by Jewel, and it's called Never Broken. And she is very connected with nature. She's a singer-songwriter. She's been through a lot of hard things, and I like to go to people who've been through hard things to get inspiration. And so writes in her book, and I wanted to read you that passage and then talk about how you can kind of adapt this to a quick meditation. Meditation is very good to kind of ground yourself, get your mind off of things, and find kind of a peaceful place to start your day. So here she writes, "It dawned on me in science class when we put drops of food coloring in the water of some store-bought carnations. The flower would soon turn to purple. In my mind, I colored the wind purple. I imagined my lungs taking it in, and my skin turning the moody tint. I followed my exhale as trees absorbed it, the leaves changing colors. A chain reaction followed until the ocean, the birds, and each living thing were all variations of the same shade. This gave me such a profound sense of peace and sense of how we all lived interconnected existences." And I love this last part, especially because interconnected existences is very relevant to what we're going through today. But also just this idea of nature and breath and changing things into this color. So thinking of finding kind of a quiet space, taking some breaths, stilling your body and imagining this beautiful color. What is that color? Is it vibrant? Is it moody? Is it dark? What color is this? Kind of imagining it for yourself, and then taking a deep breath in and imagining your lungs filling with this color and your body filling with this color. And now you're breathing it out and you're sharing this color with the things around you. So even thinking of walking through a forest and the trees and the stream that might be flowing beside you as you walk, and how that color that you're breathing out is now filling that stream and it's flowing down the stream. And maybe there's a tree growing out of the side of the stream, and now the tree's roots are pulling that color up through them and into each leaf and into each branch. And now the entire tree has turned this beautiful color that you've imagined. And as the tree grows up, it touches the sky and the clouds. And through those tips of those branches, now that color is flowing into the clouds, flowing into the sky. And it's just this chain reaction that she's talking about. It's filling the world around you with this vibrant color that you've imagined, and you're breathing it in your lungs, and you're sharing it with nature, and nature sharing it with you. And so this visual can be very great to, like I said, ground yourself, take yourself out of the moment and into this beautiful space that you've imagined for yourself. So just a quick meditation that you could try and be inspired by today with all these beautiful colors that are coming up in spring. I hope this helps, and I hope you're staying well.